Well, thank you guys so much for coming by Jetbuilt today at CEDIA. It was an amazing day. Obviously, it's a great show overall, but we thank you for taking some of that time to visit us. We showed you Radar, where you can see everything going on in your company across all of your projects right here, communicating with your clients, communicating with your team, replying to messages from your team, seeing that a client signed a contract, and so forth. We showed you drawings. The Jetbuilt is designing your schematic line drawings on its own, meaning we're not giving you a tool to do drawings, we're just giving you the drawings and at the push of a button. So if you didn't get to see that, obviously reply this email and we'll be able to show it to you in person. There's hundreds of other things we've built over the last year that you were able to see a little bit of, but we do look forward to engaging you over the next week or 2 or 3 one-on-one, so we can show you more of this stuff over Zoom and see if Jetbuilt might be right for you. Thank you so much for signing off.